What's going on, you guys? I'm in the middle of cooking some eggs. Wanted to show y'all kind of how this comes together for myself. So I got some bell pepper and onions in my cast iron here. Saute it up. Now we about to go in with these eggs here. These veggies have been sauteing for a minute, so they're already soft and ready to go. Put a little bit of butter in here. Just a little bit of butter. So those eggs don't stick. That's the thing about cooking with cast iron, you gotta use some fat or it will stick. I got 3 medium eggs in here. Whip them right fast. Go with that. Seasonings here. It's just some adobo seasoning right here. I like adobo. It's a pretty good flavor. Put a little bit of that in there. Some black pepper. That's it. Wait for these to start setting up. Start scrambling it. You know, each of these eggs have about 6 grams of protein per egg. So, you know, this is roughly 18 grams of protein, 18 to 20-ish grams of protein. It's not a super high protein meal, but, you know, this is some protein and fat and a good serving of vegetables right there, which is what I like to make sure that I have with every meal. Is have some as much fresh vegetables as I can. So, you know, I got a serving of fresh vegetables in the onion and the bell pepper. Got some protein and fat in here. I'm gonna put some wheat toast with this here, or 12 grain toast with this here, and this is gonna be breakfast. So, super simple. And as you can see, these eggs aren't sticking in my cast iron. I don't use a whole lot of fat because I got this skillet is pretty well seasoned now, so I don't get very much sticking. It comes together real nice. Those are set. We're out, and as you can see, almost no stick in there. You know, that scrapes right off. It doesn't stick at all. On about eggs, peppers, and onions. Put some toast with it. Make me another cup of coffee. And we eat. Y'all have a good one. Stay tuned for more cooking with KS, aka Chef KRD.